Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to this Zoom meeting. Today, we will have Zoom meeting about BLUE GUPPY SPAWNING. First, I want to introduce myself. I am Anthony, and I'm the hosting and moderator in this meeting today. Here we have Arieza as the presenter. Well, Arieza as the presenter it first.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. My name is Arieza. I am from Vocational High School, 1 Tulungagung. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about BLUE GUPPY spawning. Wait. Okay. BLUE GUPPY spawning. First, we should know about the place and or container for a fish. The following is the equipment needed for guppy fish farming, including containers, aerators, and aquatic plants. Container for spawning guppy fish can be small aquarium, bucket, and plastic tub. I'm sorry. The container or place needed for guppy fish farming has at least 4 functions, namely separation of the broodstock 2 containers, spawning place 1 container, hatchery 1 container, and nursery 1 container. The area and size of the guppy fish farming container can vary according to the number of fish to be spawned. Meanwhile, the minimum container height is 30 centimeters, except for nurseries. A container that is taller than 50 centimeters is required. Next, water quality. Water quality measurement, Water quality measurements are carried out every day. The observed parameters include pH and temperature. The water quality of guppy fish during this study was still within the tolerance limits of fish life. Water quality for guppies. Water quality measured during the study were temperature and pH. The temperature range during the study was at 26.4 Celsius until 28.0 Celsius, which is though only due to treatment because guppy fish is type of fish that is resistant to poor water quality. In addition, guppy can survive at temperatures of 18 Celsius to 28 Celsius. This is shown that the temperature in this study is still in the range so that guppies can survive. Next, selection of the parent. Protective broodstock of guppy fish can be obtained after the fish is 4 months old. To accomplish merits, parental care is carried out in this parent container. The feed given was in the form of Ceronomus larva, rechu, and dapnia or water flies, which were given twice a day. Water changes are carried out every 2 until 3 days, as much as 20 until 30% of the volume of the maintenance container. This parent that is relatively large, has a swallow body shape, and has a beautiful color. Male and female broodstock can be spawned when the coconuts are mature, usually at the 3 months of age, and the length of female guppy fish is generally between 4 until 5 centimeters, while male fish are generally between 3.5 until 4 centimeters. Male fish characteristics. Point 1, eggs more than 4 months. The end body shape and a long fins and beautiful color. Movement are aggressive and agile. A healthy body condition, not contracting the disease. And the characteristic of female fish, fish egg has reached approximately 4 months. A white around body around the belly indicated that they are ready for marriage. A slow and short fins and attractive color, multi-body and condition. Multi-body condition. Sorry. The next is spawning. Spawning. Oh, sorry. Spawning techniques. First, choose a parent that is relatively large, has a swollen body shape, and has a beautiful color. Second, parents that have been selected are put in one tub for several pairs of parents. However, if you want a curtain breed, it can also be done spreading in spirit pairs. Third, spawning time must be controlled every day. And the last, once out of the mother's stomach, the young guppies are able to live on their own, swim, search for food, and avoid his enemies. These young guppies will generally continue to join the group and with the other. Large fish, however, the mature guppies will not hesitate to prey on them a smaller fry, so that when kept in aquarium, these young fish need to be separated from adult fish. This fry is saved will reach maturity at the age of 1 or 2 months. Next, maintenance of larvae. First, we should know about the feeding of fish or larvae. Newborn fry do not need food because they still contain egg yolks. After 3 until 5 days, the new seeds can be fed in the form of quills and mixed egg yolk. After that, in the second week, given mosquito larva feed. Then given porridge feed pellets, feeding in a given 2 times a day in the morning and evening. And number 2, osmoregulation or siphon. The dirt is cleaned every 2 days. 10 to 20% of the water that is washed during cleaning is replaced with a new water. So, and number 3, selection of fish species. Sex solution can be made after the young guppy fish is 2 months old by looking at its secondary sex characteristics, such as a longer tail fin, better color, and a pointed anal fin. Oh, okay. That is my presentation about Habib blue guppy fish spawning. Thank you. Ali Fahmi Al-Haji, time is yours.
Thank you, Arieza Nur Pratama, for the presentation. Now we come to the question and answer. Susan, just turn the microphone on our present, and if you want to ask. There isn't any question. Okay, then the presentation about spawning. Spawning has finished. It's very good and clear. Thank you very much for your attention. Everyone, our we have said we're going to share for our okay, see you next time.
See you.